1st of August 2024, Nigerians proceeded with the End Bad Government protest across the nation as planned. In the FCT Abuja, the protest took a unique turn from empty streets to locked up shops and offices in the early hour of Thursday morning.
Sherry has been eating, flying. Tinubu don't care about other people's children. Yes. But let me tell you, the God of life does not know the rich or poor.
Dude, what? There's no country where our currency is valuable.
To a progressive gathering of divergent groups, some opposed to the protest, while many more groups were in support of the protest. Shortly, majority of protesters flooded the city with placards and slogans to end bad government.
We done so far. We done so far. We done tired. We are hungry. End bad government. End bad government.
What are we saying?
We are hungry.
What are we saying?
We are hungry.
What are we saying?
We are.
The protesters marched all the way, heading to the National Assembly, but were stopped by throwing tear gas and stone gun to scare them away. You could see the youth marching peacefully, expressing their heart desires, expressing what is in their mind. But the turnout of event here is that the police are tear gas on them and restricting them from movement, because from my finding, I got to know that they want to access the Eagle Square, while the policemen are preventing them from accessing. And you could hear the sound of a gunshot on my left.
Are we fighting? Are we fighting? That people protest this shooting. They're not fighting. I have to check us at us. Are we fighting? Eh? How much? Some of us were your children. You don't even know. You're just throwing check us at us. I'm more than people also. How many did too much?
These are more police officers deployed on the protest. These are more police officers being deployed, carrying their crates of tear gas and singing their moral song.
The protesters are demanding for reduction in fuel price, tax, and electricity tariff to what it were before May 29, 2023. According to the protesters, hunger and cost of living have gone through the roof beyond the capacity of the ordinary people.
Yeah, okay, we actually got to the place and they threw us tear gas. I mean, we only came out for peaceful protests, no issues. I mean, if you look around, there's no violence so far. We only came for a peaceful protest. So in that regard, they should actually treat us like human beings. So I don't understand why they are throwing us tear gas right now.
And who are those persons throwing tear gas?
The police, of course, police, NSDC, they're all there. An army is wrong for crying out loud. I mean,
so far, has anyone dropped dead?
No. I believe that in this struggle, there is no dead, because it's dead men that is already protesting. Because they have already killed us with hunger. And there is no dead that is higher than hunger in the land. And if what we need is simple, Any bad governance, it starts with number one. Are you listening to me? The hope of a common man has been Gary and beans. Today you can't buy Gary, you can't buy beans. Let them provide this security they have. Provide it for our farmers. Let them reduce the cost of the governance. Let people like Akpabio, let it collect the same salary that a common man on the street is collecting.
Don't throw stone now. What's wrong with you now? Hey guys! Yes! They are hungry.
What kind of government are we into like this? Is it crime to say you're hungry? We're all hungry in this country. Even the police people shooting us are still hungry. But they're all hypocrites, shooting their children in the peaceful protest. What kind of rubbish is this? All my nose now, my eye is all tear gas on a peaceful protest. You're crying out now. In a country you call your country, you are not even a third-class citizen. You are a slave in your own country.
We get everything for Nigeria, but we dey suffer. Then they carry our money, they go France. France, they progress. France, people see the follow us with them work. But everything there for Nigeria. Chop money, work. If you be president, to chop money, but work. No let us suffer. We don't suffer too much. What do we do?
And tell the international, the whole world, that we are actually criminals, that we are actually bandits, and that's why they decide to shoot at us. And we are going to show them that we are better than them, because we are peaceful. We are only asking for our rights. We are hungry. Insecurity, kidnapping.
We are ready to scatter this country. I swear to my God, if I never come for 200 naira, today Nigeria go scatter. Today they are starting. Tomorrow it will be end. Everybody will be angry with this country. Yes.
We have crazy, we have gas, we have fuel. What do we have?
At
Everything.
1,300.
This is unacceptable. We are living in high cost of Nigeria.
Senate president said when we are protesting,
we are tired of it. You cannot buy food to eat. They will pay you your salary. Your salary cannot leave you to exploited.
Can you see?
I am out here to protest in the morning, and then there are just a lady with a baby. Me, I'm among those ladies that they arrest them. And this thing, they take us to headquarters. And we're out now. And we never give up. We still protest. We stand up on our feet. We still work for it. Because we are the youth. But you say, they say we are the leaders of tomorrow. How are we the leaders of tomorrow? We need to fight for our rights. We need to stand up on our feet. So what are we doing now? What are they doing to us? It's not fair. Government needs to do something about it. Tinubu himself needs to do something about it. Because we are tired. You cannot go to the market and press something. It's double, triple. We are crying, hungry. We are hungry everywhere.
Who go vote to next year? If one got kilos, who go vote to next year?
They should dissolve INEC. Election that bring those leaders to office, it was fraud. Mahmoud should resign. NNPC should be dissolved. Where people, a situation whereby Nigeria will come and vote, about 4 or 5, 7 judges will sit down and determine who rule. Is that a country? What is election? Election is a situation where people come and vote their leaders. In Nigeria, it's not like that.
Bobby Peter, CTV News.
You are watching CTV.